Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial video. On this video, I'll be introducing you to Canva and I can design different design with your smartphone. Yes guys, you can use Canva with your smartphone. It's very easy and good. First of all, you have to install it on your phone by using Play Store or Chrome for Android user. For iPhone user, you can go to Apple Store and search for Canva. Then since I have it on my phone, I'm just going to search for Canva. See, search for Canva. See, it's already on my screen. So what I just have to do is to tap on it and lead me directly to the app. Designing design with Canva on your phone is easy if you are really accurate. Some people say it's hard and all these kind of things, but I know that all these are easy. So I will introduce you to this front here and what is going on here. So first of all, let's go to the navigation bar. Yeah, this is what we call the navigation bar. These are easy access to what you want to search. It's able to just go to your search bar to search for what you want to design and just easily pick anything from here. You can see what you want to design is almost here. You can go click on more. Then here, if you look down more, here is you see recent design. You know one good thing about Canva automatically saves your video. Even though you just edit some things and you just mistakenly remove the app from your phone, Canva automatically save it. But before Canva will have to save it, you have to log in. That we're going to now. You have to log in. So if you can look at this three button over here. So you click on it. It's called the menu. You click on it. You can see I'm already logged in with my Gmail. So if you want to log in, it's not very hard. See, you can just click on see add another account. So you can just click it to add another account over there and put your Gmail. And see, these are the themes I belong to that is giving me access to my Canva Pro. But don't worry guys, I'll be showing you the trick later on. But if you know you really want it, you can DM me on my number below. Okay, let's continue. You can see this over here. You can if you look down a little, you can even sign out and put a new Gmail to continue. And you can choose any of this group to your username, because on this group, any group you belong, that is where your design is saved. So can just go back. You can see these are different templates in which you can use to design what you want to design. This one over here, educational template section. If you know you want to present using video, but you don't have any idea on the feature you want to use, you can choose from their template over here to design what you want to design. You can see more and more and more. You can look at this down bar over here. You see the home button, the project. This plus is called the search bar, and this is the template, and this one with the app is called education. So you can go to project. Project, the work you have done that is saved already. You can just go to anyone again to choose what you want to design. So you can also go to the template over here. Template, if you want to choose their templates to design what you want to design, can choose their templates. And see, you can search whatever template of any kind you can choose, you can use it. And see, you design Instagram post. If you want to post your Instagram and your picture is more than their what they qualified, so you can come to Canva here to resize it using Instagram post square. This presentation you want to post your stories, posters, logo. Canva also designs logo for you. Yes. See your phone wallpaper, mobile video, YouTube thumbnails. You are having some problem in creating a thumbnail for your video. You can use Canva to design it. Flyers and other things. So if you click on this education here, because this education is showing here because I belong to a class group, a class team. So for your own, since you are just a beginner, you don't have the pro, we'll just be showing you pro, that you should click on the pro. So you can subscribe to the pro, or you can get the pro for free. If you need it, or you need help getting the pro, you can ask me on my comment section down there. Guys, we'll go back to the home. So let me just design a simple flyer using their template. So you just go to the search bar, search for flyers, search for it. Will show you some templates which can use, and design a full flyer, design whatever flyer you are looking for. Okay, you can see showing you different flyer which you can just pick up and edit. Okay. Okay, if you like, let's just pick this Bible study flyer that's over here for just a quick edit. You click on it. Since loading. So guys, remember, Canva is a blessing. Like I can say, it's a blessing to graphic designer and web designer. No, in this nowadays, instead of you going to Photoshop or that app you're looking for to design, you can just use Canva to design what you want to design. Okay, see it's loading, but due to some bad network. You can see load. Yeah, it has load. It's left for you now just to edit what you want to edit. Okay, can you just say, just edit this over here. Okay, click on edit and just edit something. Just click on, can say join us in a Bible study event which will be delivered directly by a famous pastor by a famous pastor. And then full stop, then you can also continue. Say there will there will be step down teaching of the Bible. Okay, you are done. Can just, if you want to make sure everything align, and just reduce this, then you expand it. So you can see, guys, you expand this to make everything fit into, so you can expand it. Then the time, if you know you want to arrange the time, you can see 2024 September, because May is already passed. September 9. Look, you can see this one is already too long. What you have to do is you just go from the side, you adjust it. Okay. Then this small tools over here, you just have to reduce it. Okay, let me just cancel it. You can see over here this upper, there's an arrow that's going back. If you know you mistake, want to go back, you can just click on the arrow. See, click on the arrow, carry you back. So what I just want to do with this place, so shift it a little to front. Yes, so that this my design can blend in. Yes, now my design is fully ready. I just have to click on the download button over there. You will see, show you different form which I use to save your image. Okay, to network, let's remove it first. Good. You have to go to the download button. You can also go to the share. The two are most of the same function. Go to the share button, click on download. So you use JPEG, because JPEG is best for image. JPEG. So because I'm also using the Pro, I can increase the quality of the video of the distance to 100. So then you download. See, our design will be ready saved directly to our gallery. You can see the loading. See, it's already saved straight to your gallery. Hey guys, thank you guys for listening to my video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.